lovelies, it's Cindy from MyStyleSpot. I am so excited to share with you my holiday gift guide going on now. So I've got a great gift to share with you today. Be sure to follow me on my YouTube channels, my blog, my social media. You can find the links below. I will be sharing my gift guide all season long for all gifts for anyone on your shopping list. Amazing gifts. So first thing, I'm going to start it off as an amazing gift for yourself, maybe. For your mom, your sister, your best friend. It is amazing self-care, anti-aging gift I know you're going to love. And it is the Nebulyft. And it is the brand new R2 that they have. So this is an amazing little anti-aging device. I'm also going to be giving one away at the end of this video. It is worth $500. So watch to the end because I know you're going to want to win that. The new Nebulyft R2 Nebula Rosette is amazing. It is their latest version. They have a few on the site. You should check them out. I've tried them all. They're all amazing. But what sets this one apart? Well, it uses quick hydration to reduce swelling. It's really great for dark circles and puffiness when you wake up in the morning. It effectively improves like the smile lines and the fine lines on your face within 7 days. That is amazing. That is so fast. It has a more powerful microdot 2.0 technology than the other ones. It also has 320 gold microdot, RF microdots right here. A 0.5 to 2 millihertz you'll find in the R2, and what's really cool is it effectively adjusts the energy level for the different parts of your face. So if you're using it here, it's going to be a little bit softer versus right here where you're going to have a little bit more heat because your face can handle it. So very intelligent. I love that about this, the new R2. That is amazing. It also has 5 adjustable levels, which you can see right there. These 5 adjustable levels of RF will give you a deep, effective treatment. 4-channel temp monitoring system to ensure precise temperature control of 107.6 degrees Fahrenheit. This provides optimal comfort while providing remarkable results. It also has the handy wireless charging feature. It is small and portable, easy to travel with, comes with a travel carrying case, which is amazing. It has a large battery capacity as well, so you can get about 4 to 5 sessions out of this, and it only takes 10 minutes a day. So I love using it at night. It's super relaxing. I just find it feels really good. It's a little warm and soothing. So you just slowly glide it across your skin. You're gonna love it. It's amazing. But you can also use it in the morning. It's really good for the dark circles if you wake up with dark circles or puffiness. So that is what sets the new R2 apart. Pretty amazing, right? So I've been trying it out for the last couple of months now. I've had some really great results. I am actually not wearing any foundation, blush, or concealer, anything on my face to show you that I am not getting like the sunspots like I always do, especially this time of year because of summer. I'm outside all summer long. I'm a Leo, I worship the sun, and I get sunspots like crazy. So the fact that I haven't got any this time of year is amazing, and I totally attribute it to my Nebulyft R2. That is amazing. So my skin looks and feels really great, and it's so soft and supple also. I noticed like a radiant glow after using it. Most users notice it the first time you use it. You'll have glowing, radiant skin. I do definitely have crow's feet and some fine lines, but I feel like they are softening up really well. Like they're not as noticeable, not quite as pronounced. I'm 43 years old, so definitely getting those. But I've been very pleased with my R2. I feel like it's pretty minimal, looking minimized. So I'm very thrilled with that. It also has really helped me with the dark circles in the morning. I have not slept well at all this year. My sleep seems to get worse the older I get. So that has definitely come in handy for using in the morning and getting rid of the puffiness and the dark circles. Here's my most recent before and after. You can definitely notice around the eyes, the crow's feet are looking less pronounced. My sunspots are not as noticeable, and my skin definitely is glowing and more radiant. Nebulyft also has an amazing app to help you keep track of usage. It will show you the current temperature and also alert you when you need to charge. You're gonna love the new Nebulyft R2. You can get $50 off today with my code CINDYR2. Check out the link below to shop that. Now let's do the giveaway, right? I know you guys are excited about that. This is a $500 device, so it is amazing. I know you're gonna love it. So here's how to enter. Number 1, give this video a thumbs up. Number 2, comment below with who you would gift the Nebulyft R2 to. And then number 3, subscribe to my channel and you'll get free weekly awesome content there as well. And then you can get a bonus entry, and you can get unlimited bonus entries. Every time you share on social media, share a link in the comment below, and that is a bonus entry. And you can do that as much as you want. So those are extra entries that you will get. Exciting, right? So go ahead and do that. I'm so excited for you guys to try this out. Shop it for those lovely peeps on your holiday list that I know will love it as well. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Happy holiday season.